Hey guys, it's me, Diane. Today, this is going too fast. Today I am doing my makeup. I got some foundation going on here. I can't really see what it is. And concealer, I think. I don't know. Anyways, I don't have my phone right now, so I'm kind of like really into makeup. I'm really into makeup lately. So this is just me getting ready for the day. Here I have my beauty blender and I am applying it all over my face. Make sure it's even. Make sure it's really well into my skin. Make sure it's down my neck. And then I got this Too Faced powder. We gonna put that all over our face too, so we don't get oily. Then we got the whatever the brow shit. Oh, can I cuss in this? I can't. Sorry. The brow. I just did my brows. Made them a little bit more darker. Then I take my my brush to blend in the foundation. I mean the powder, and then I do my contour. Kim Kardashian taught me how to do the 3 on my cheekbone. I gotta do a little 3. So then. That's what I learned from her, and now I just blend it in. I don't know what you got. What do you have in your hand? Is that highlighter?
What?
Oh, that's tape. That's tape. I got some tape off for my eye so that it could be really creased and cut, and it'll look really cute. And here I have my naked palette, putting on, I don't know what color it is because I really can't see. I got some on my eye. Oh, and there's more eyeshadow. I know my eyeshadow really good. It looked really good. And then I'll take my blush and highlighter. And then I put it, I take off the tape. Ooh, look at that crease. That looks so cute. Okay. And now I am putting on highlight on my cheekbone and on my nose. And then I put this clear mascara on my brows. And then I don't know what you just did. I don't know what I just did. I kind of forgot. But anyways, now Megamind. Oh yeah, I do kind of have a big head. Anyways, that's it. Okay, bye guys. I didn't do an outro, so goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bien chillax.